ass like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Having 3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger video, man. As you see, I am getting gas right now, but you see by the title and thumbnail, this car is going on a car ride tonight, so I gotta get my gas. I think I had like a quarter tank left, so yeah, it's a shit ton of miles. But you guys haven't seen really, well, no, yeah, I don't think I've seen my car, but I got a Cause logo and number 7. But yeah, I was pumping gas and I seen an owl land over there, and I just happened to go look down, and my fog light was popped out right here. So comment down below and let me know, is it bad luck if I see an owl? I don't know, but yeah, this car is about to join our rally tonight. The rally is from Orange County. Well, it starts in Irvine, and then it goes from Irvine to Santa Monica. I think Santa Monica to Beverly Hills. I'm not mistaken, but if you know Beverly Hills, then you know the cops in Beverly Hills are dickheads, or they could be. So I'm about to double check my insurance and make sure my insurance is up to par. I definitely don't have my front plate, so that's that. So I know that's a possibility. But as long as I have my insurance, everything is up to date, I am good. Because if you know that the last time I got pulled over, yeah, it was a whole shit. So this car is super quiet, but we about to get on the road. I should throw this away right now because I don't like having a dirty car. But let's get on the road, and I'll see y'all at the first meetup spot. All right, y'all, so we just got here, and we got this, I think it's a 919 or 911. Let's see, 911. It's great, sexy. But we got this bad boy here. So I was talking to the owner, right? Because obviously part next to me, and then obviously it's a Benz. So yeah, I belong with Benz. He's pushing. I'm gonna give y'all 5 seconds to guess how much he's pushing in the comments. I'm gonna give 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But he's pushing 700 something to the wheel. So obviously it's tuned, but yeah, 700 something to the wheel. Yeah, this fucking car is fast as hell, and yeah, he uses it. This is daily. It's a daily business car. But yeah, his fucking car is a CLS 63 AMG. That shit's fast. It make this car look slow as hell. But yeah, there's a TRX over there. Cool. I drove it a lot. They're fun. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm stuck on this car here. This CLS 63 AMG is fast as hell. You got a C8 at 911. I forgot what that car is, but yeah, it's low-key fast too. But it's definitely a fucking Mustang rally. They got a bunch of, we got a BMW, a Corvette, Hellcat, more Porsche, got a Supra over there, Audi, and I think another Benz. But yeah, you got this full row of Mustangs over there. That's fucking loud and proud over there. Yeah, American muscle face ass. I'm not gonna, these Mustangs look fast. Looky hard. F. Calderon. He's fast, boy. But yeah, I am currently about to ace rally. But yeah, I like this right here. This is that's wet. That's clean. There's definitely a shit ton of Mustangs over here, man. But yeah, you got a Supra, Porsche right here, light but fast. You got a heavy ass boat right here, and then all the diverse cars over there. Yeah. Up though, that shit's bit.
I'll just work on myself.
Damn.
I'll go ahead.
That's hard. I like that satin black.
I'm ready.
Oh, you got these, yeah, your shit fast. Unless one of them just happen to be.
Yeah, let's see if it's a 63 though.
It sounded good.
He's got the badge, he's got the fender.
Yeah, 63 AMG. Uh-oh. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Let's see what year.
Uh-oh. Yeah.
It's gotta be the right year too.
It's probably like a 1412, I'm thinking. It's something like that. Sound good though.
Bro.
Yeah. Now you fast guy over there. You fast.
Here's the question. What tune does he have? That's the next question.
That's a good question. Yeah, that's a good question.
That's a form,
Yeah. You can have exhaust, but yeah, if you ain't got no good tune, then yeah, that's true. They got a full car over there. Yeah, his ass ain't racing shit. That full car, and then I ain't gonna lie, that's hard to like the two-door, the older one.
That's a C63.
Yeah, the older one. I think like the 12.
NA, bro.
Yeah.
That's the NA. That's the one you were talking about.
Yeah, I think for that year I gotta get the like a 2014. Yeah. Yeah.
That shit goes hard. Okay, listen to me carefully.
All right.
The reason you want the 507
Yeah.
is because it has SLS internals, bro.
Oh shit! Is it okay? I don't know that much about the older ones, but
SLS internals.
shit, it sound good. It sound important. So yeah.
You know what an SLS is, right? An AMG.
Yeah, the car. Yeah.
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 SLS
So it says that.
It has the internals of an SLS AMG.
Oh shit! I didn't know that. All right, y'all. So we heading out right now. Let me turn my mix down. But yeah, we definitely is heading out right now. We got a lot of people over there. It's a lot of it's a lot of fast cars out tonight, man. But me, my car is slow as shit in stock. So the only cars I keep up with is the 5.0 Mustangs. But it's gonna be a lit night, man. You got a bunch of C63s, a CLS AMGs, McLarens. A whole lot of fun shit, man. So yeah, we're gonna go an hour to Santa Monica, then to Rodeo. So yeah, and the police here too. Damn, it's a lot of cars, but good thing the police is low key blocking for us though. The cops seem cool though, man. The cops seem cool. They're blocking everything. I ain't trying to have my camera in my hand, but. We are officially on the road, man. We are officially on the road to the rally. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna lie. This is my first rally, and it's already a great turnout. It's a lot of cars. It's I think at least like 50 cars out tonight. Y'all probably can't see me or hear me, but so we're 13 minutes away from the first meetup spot, right? And we are smashed. I don't know what I got on these GoPros, but I've been smashing with the C43 AMG. This black one right here in front. Hold on. This black one right here. Yeah, I've been smashing with this car. You probably can't see it. Hold on. Yeah, I've been smashing with this. I think it's a C43 AMG. But yeah, we are about 12 minutes away from the first re-link up spot. But when I say me and him or her has been like going crazy, I'm chilling right now because at least 5 people already got popped from the police already. But man, I'm not gonna lie, I 10 out of 10 recommend going on a car rally. If you've never been on one, because this is my first one and it's organized, but this is so much fun. It's like this McLarens, a bunch of AMGs, a bunch of Mustangs. I lost the Mustangs, I'm not gonna lie. I've been lost the Mustangs, but yeah, man, this 10 out of 10 recommend, and I guarantee you, on my left fog light, it popped out again. I guarantee you, I promise you, bullet, this thing is popping. Hold on. All right, y'all. So we about to pull up to the first meetup spot, man. This is yeah, so I've been cruising with this Benz in front. You probably can't see him, but yeah, definitely a lot of cops. The last 3 I was on, somebody got popped. Somebody, well, not shot, but like somebody was pulled over by the police. So, but it's a lot of females out here, though. I ain't gonna lie, man. Ooh, look at y'all there. I see y'all there, Josh. That's all you, Josh, like the snow bunnies. That's all for Josh right there, man. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend going on any sort of rally, especially if it's like organized, diverse. Not gonna lie, man. And the thing is, there's another rally right after this ends. So this rally ends at like 11:12, and there's another one right when this one ends. Finally made it here. We got this sexy Supra. My car started to get hot, so I literally just parked that bitch. Fuck. Oh man, that's sexy right there. But yeah, I was got been smashing with some AMG. That's nice. Good. What's good?
What's happening?
Oh man, my car started to fucking overheat right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was pushing, so I was like,
You split it at the beginning, so we lost you. You said the cops are coming. The cops.
I lost fucking cause like half people in front was fucking just racing, and then the people in the back was cruising, and then here's my group is fucking
everybody filming everywhere.
Yeah, just fucking mobbing.
It
So
was sick. Where's the Supra?
we're at I still at the dealer, but I finally drove a fucking C63 AMG. I was like,
Yeah, we just got gapped by that shit.
bro?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was like, yeah, fuck that
buses
Supra.
on us.
Oh yeah, I was like, yeah, fuck that Supra. Yeah, the hell no, 'cause that shit's so much fun.
No, we got gapped. We got gapped by a B58 right now too.
Oh shit, no, it was good. Y'all was y'all was smashing with us. I think the fuck was it, C43 AMG? Yeah, I was smashing with fucking C43 AMG the whole time, like the whole way here. I don't know where the hell he went, but hell no, you dipped.
Oh yeah?
You
saw me
dipped.
for a second?
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, these cars is fast as hell. This C63 right here is fast as fuck. This AMG is fast as fuck. Fast as fuck. But yeah, my car is fucking running hot, so I gotta see if I'm not leaking anything, so it should be alright. But yeah, my shit was running hot as fuck. Alright, y'all, I had to pull over because one, I was following a group of C63s and we left everybody, so I ended up just pulling over onto the side because One, I dropped my phone on the side, and if you know I have my bucket seats, then you know how hard it is to like try and fit my hand through a little ass, you know, a little fucking little pocket. So we're all supposed to be cruising down Sunset right now, but I think that's them coming up right now. Let me see. Hold on. I think so. I don't know, because the light was a long light. I'm not even gonna lie. So, but I am. I'm 6 minutes away. So yeah, I don't know where everybody at, man. I don't know, but I might just cruise to the final spot, because yeah, I'm 7 minutes away anyway. So I've been smashing, you know, on the way back to the crib, because Rodeo did get burnt. There's a lot of cops, because obviously it's Rodeo. But I ain't know that Rodeo has so many potholes, man. What I mean, so first of all, my front tire setup is pretty aggressive. So like, in terms of fitment, my front two tires is literally sitting on my fenders. So that's why my fog light, not my fog light, my side markers keep popping out. So yeah, I've been hitting dips, and then I started to smell like rubber. So I'm about to pull up to the crib and see the damage. I already know for a fact, you probably can see, but I already know for a fact my side marker is definitely popped out again, that's for sure. So my side marker is definitely popped out. What else? I'm gonna check to see if I have a cut in my tire from the fenders. I'm gonna check that. So yeah, this car made it through tonight, man. This car has made it through the night. 3 hours, or 2 hours really, like 2.5 hours of pure smashing. So it starts to like the temp gauge started to rise like just a little bit, but it was nothing like crazy. But that was the only thing I was really afraid of coming out here tonight, was overheating. But yeah, I don't know. I low-key should have went to the club though tonight though. Now that I think about it, yeah, I think about it now. Yeah, I should have went to the club low-key. I probably would have had the same amount of fun, but yeah, man, you know, I don't know, but yeah, we gonna check the damage real quick.
It's like a bimbo, serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental, had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo.